option number one with my scrapbook paper was not working well. This just has such a modern vibe and I don't feel like it goes with the piece. I decided not to give up on my idea, and I think that's so important. Sometimes you just have to stick to your vision and try multiple ways to get the solution you're looking for before giving up too quickly. Stage where I'm ready to seal my drawers. They've been lined with the paper and the glue has hardened and it's down. It's really secure. This is not my most favorite part of the projects. This is more on the crafty side and I'm just not as good at it. And whenever you feel like you have resistance towards something, it's usually because it's not a strength. It could even be an area of weakness. So I always try to push myself outside of my comfort zone to do the things that feel a little challenging, because this is a part of furniture flipping and I know I'll get better the more that I do it. I have to lean into what one of my strengths is, and I am a very curious person and inquisitive by nature. I thought, how can I enjoy doing more of the crafty stuff? And it's to add in that curiosity piece. So my curiosity is on two different ceiling finishes. So I've actually got Dixie Belle's Clear Coat and Flat and Clear Coat and Satin. This is helping me keep that spark of creativity and curiosity alive to do the more crafty part of the project. Let's see what the difference looks like. Here are the two drawers with the Clear Coat and the Satin. And I brought them outside to do the daylight test to see if I could really see a significant difference. And honestly, you can't. The product that I used was not meant for paper. Lesson number one, get the right product for what you're trying to achieve. I am going to drive to Joann Fabrics, which is up the street from my house. They have Mod Podge, they have spray adhesives, they have all the crafting supplies one could possibly imagine or ever need. So I'm gonna hit up Joann Fabrics, get the right tools for the job. Lesson number one. We're gonna go see if I can get this straightened out. All right, it's happening. We are going to Joann Fabrics. This aisle of adhesives is looking very promising. Let's see if we can find something that'll work. All right, so here we're paying like a lot for convenience. This spray is 8 fluid ounces for $15, and the same product is $17.99 for 32 fluid ounces. So that's the one I'm gonna get. I'm back at it. I'm going to try the Mod Podge that I bought from Joann Fabrics. I feel like this is a hodgepodge of glue and sealants and just a variety of things, but this is supposed to be a water-based glue, sealer, and finisher, so we're gonna see how it goes. All right, you know what? I'm just gonna go with this because I've got to believe that this is gonna work. And I'm already hating it. It's very tacky. It's very sticky and very tacky. And I'm not enjoying how it's going on. And I'm feeling very skeptical about this whole thing. And I was really resistant. I feel like this is going to be another lesson. What is the lesson? What is the universe trying to tell me? So I started with a very small section of the back top drawer, and you can see how it went on here. It's just super tacky, and I feel like you could really see the brush strokes. So I just want this to dry. I want to get a look. I want to assess. And you know, I'm kind of getting to the point where this has just gone on too long. And I need to learn, and I feel like I'm really learning the hard way. The good news is I have had a lot of practice now with a few different things that have worked and have not. And most certainly when I do this again, I will be able to do this in a fraction of the time because I'll be able to use the Mod Podge from Jump Street, although I have to tell you, I'm not a fan. So we're gonna see. I went ahead and just went with the Mod Podge. I just decided to stop hating it. And you can see, let me see if I can catch the light, there is a bit of a sheen. So my shiny mean sealed effect is happening. And I gotta say, it's not terrible. I'm going to admit that I was a bit overreactive and a bit wrong about the Mod Podge, and I'm gonna finish the rest of the drawers. So here we go. I'm gonna switch to a brush because I think there was something about the foam applicator that was making me a little cranky, and we're just gonna brush this on. So this is how it looks when it's wet, but it dries pretty nice. So I'm just gonna keep going here. Like, can we not wipe out our drawers? That's all I'm asking for. I had a snack. I'm feeling better. I'm not feeling as cranky about the drawer lining conundrum that I'm in. If this is just some kind of glue, I'm literally sniffing glue. I'm just not a major with this. I'm just not. I'm gonna stop this because I'm feeling cranky and I'm not enjoying how this is gonna go on. So sorry for all the cranky pants. I gotta be honest, when this dries, there's gonna be no question in my buyer's mind that they can use a damp cloth to wipe down the inside of their drawers. Because let's face it, drawers get dirty and dusty.